Hello and welcome back to another study science video. This video will be on a little bit more in depth into balancing chemical equations. So today I have these two problems for you. Again, pause the video if you would like to try to solve these on your own. Alright, so I'm going to start with the top problem first. And if you remember from the last video how to start these equations, you want to start by writing out the amount of each element on both sides so you can kind of gauge how many or what coefficient you're going to need to change the equation. So on this side we have 1 calcium, 2 oxygen, 3 hydrogen, and 1 Cl. And then on this side we have 1 calcium, 1 oxygen, 2 hydrogen, and 2 Cl. So if we know we need 1 more Cl on this side, and we know we need 1 more hydrogen on that side, what we're going to do is we're first going to change the Cl on this side. So we're going to give it a 2 coefficient. And that would change the number of H's to 4 H's and 2 Cl. And then, following that, on the other side, we're going to need to change 1 more of the molecules to even out the equation. So to do this, we're going to give the water molecule a coefficient of 2, and then that would give us 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen, 1 Ca, and 2 Cl, and that is a fully balanced equation. Alright, so this next question is a little bit tougher. However, due to the fact that you have nitrate and you don't have a nitrogen or an oxygen that isn't in nitrate, you can basically just group that together as one. So you're going to write the amounts as 1 lead, 2 nitrate, 2 potassium, and then 1 S. And then on the other side, you're going to write 1 lead, 1 nitrate, 1 potassium, and 1 S. And then knowing this, the main thing you have to know is we need to make it so there's 2 nitrates on both sides, and then also 2 potassium on both sides. And the easiest way to do that is to just change the coefficient of potassium nitrate to 2. And that would be our answer. Alright, so this is the next question. I'm just going to let you pause now if you would like to try it for yourself. I'm going to start it in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so you would start this problem the way we start any other problem, by finding the amounts. So we have 1 potassium, 5 O's, 4 H's, and 1 P. And then on this side we have 3 potassiums, that's 4 5-O's, 2 H's, and 1 P. Alright, so on this side we're going to start by adding a coefficient of 3, so we can get the equal amount of K's on each side. And that's going to change K to 3 K's. It's going to change this to 7 O's. That's going to change the H's to 6 H's. And it is not going to change the P. So, however, on this side, if we change the 3KOH, we're going to need to change the O's and the H's on this side to make this equal to that. And since we have an even number of H's, we're going to need an even number of H's on this side as well. So to do that, we're going to change this to 3 H's on the water molecule to equal the amount of H's here. However, that's going to change this to 6 and this to 4, 7. So that is going to be good on that. And then, as you can see, that's going to mean 3 K's on this side, 7 O's, 6 H's, and 1 P. And then on the other side, it's going to be 3 K's, 7 O's, 6 H's, and 1 P. So that means this equation is balanced. Okay, that's all I have today for balancing. The next video will be predictions. Thank you for watching. And remember, the best way to learn these concepts is just to practice them. Good luck.